Hi, welcome to my office and thank you for stopping by the eGen Solutions YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook business page username. Now I know that's a lot. However, there are two separate things that you need to be aware of. And also, once I show you how to do this, I have to give you a warning too. So watch all the way through and let's get going. All right, so you can see here I'm at a Facebook, my business Facebook business page, right? And I'm looking at this just in case some people have different views. I'm looking at my business page in Business Suite, Business Facebook Manager. I know people are referencing both ways. I kind of still say Business Manager, but I know everyone else has been saying Business Suite, which I think is probably the technical term. So this is how the page looks on the back end. So you can see here I've got two different things. I've got my title, which is my page name, which is eGen Solutions. And then you can see here with the little @ symbol, that's at eGen Solutions. That is actually my username. So there's two things you can change. You can actually change both. You can change the name and you can change your username. But there are some little warnings with that. So to simply do this, you're going to come over here to, let me move my little face around here. You're going to come to your menu on the left, scroll down to Edit Page Info, click that. And it's going to open up a whole new section for you. And I'm going to move myself around here. And then you can, of course, see here that you can change this. I don't want to do that because I like the name eGen Solutions. And you can change this. Now, a couple of words of warning. You will go ahead and change it, but it will take 3 days for Facebook to review it. And in that time, they may have some questions for you. You may have to upload documents depending on what type of change you're making. And but be aware it can take up to 3 days to change that, either one. And once you do change it, you will have to wait 7 days in case you made a mistake or something and you want to change it again. You're going to have to wait 7 days to do the whole process again. So just be aware of that. Be very careful of your spelling and all that good stuff. Okay, now I said there was a word of warning, and here it is. So we're looking at the business page, right? If you change this username here, this username is the same as your URL. So if you change this username, your URL will change. Now, why is that important? Because if you're using this URL or this website address anywhere, let's say on your website, in your email signatures, or anywhere online where it's a clickable link, once you change that username, that URL is going to change, which means wherever you have put that URL in the old anywhere, it's no longer going to work once it's changed. So once you're approved, once your username is changed and approved by Facebook, make sure that you come over here, select your URL, and correct that on your website and your email signatures and anywhere else that you place that link. So just a little tip for you. Hope that helps. Thank you so much if you enjoyed this and this helped you in your business, helped you in a little stuck spot. Please give me a thumbs up, and thank you very much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. We'll see you again. Bye.